Hello viewers, welcome back. Now we dive into the world of very beautiful X-Mex ornaments and beautiful artistic ideas. And it's time to grow business. It's time togetherness. It's time to but also a very take some maturity ideas and grow business. So we give you a very best and beautiful ideas, and your ordinary piece turn into extraordinary piece. So give a centerpiece people to centerpiece and make some different ideas, different designs this Xmas festival. So in this video we show you very powerful and beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Hope you like that all ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe. We try to show you very beautiful and interesting collection of these Xmas ornaments. Style jute burlap art for upcoming season and upcoming festival, and you can grow your business as well. So make some different ornaments, make some different art with your mind and just start in craft. So make a new look, make come out some extraordinary piece, make some extraordinary piece and sell it on social media platform and on any fair shop and craft shop. And you can put in a masterpiece, and you can make it very extraordinary piece and show them all the social media platform, and take some Google ads and purchase some Google ads and go your product viral. So in this season people wants to love, people searching for best designs and best decoration ideas for our home, for their homes. So people also watch them and buying something new. And people don't buy a product, they buy a story behind that. They so put the so you take your story on social media and many platform as you can grow your business. So in this video we try to bring for you very best and unique ideas for burlap art and jute craft and making burlap fabric, add some bottle, recycled bottles, make some trees, Xmas trees, and add some flowers and make some flowers leaves and add some lace ribbons and jute rope also, and add some red and green balls, put some flowers on it and add cinnamon sticks on it. So it will be a very beautiful craft, and your product gonna be viral if you make something different, something extraordinary. So try to make something beautiful, and most beautiful things what you can make easily to get ideas from these videos. And try different, try hard, keep hard working. So I wish wherever you're from, wherever you are, whoever you are watching this video, may your life fulfill with happiness and sweetness, togetherness. Keep smiling, keep shining like a star, and leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to upload whatever you want to watch. And if you want some different ideas, something add, if you want to watch tutorials of these videos, so we will try to upload. But leave your comment, write your comment in the comment section, then we will try to upload. If you want to watch Xmas trees, how to make with paint and different types ideas, we will try to make definitely soon. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned till the end. As you can watch in this video, these are very interesting designs, gift pouches, gift bags ideas with the beautiful cards, and you can watch very beautiful flowers, trees, and beautiful ornaments. In this video we trying to show you very beautiful ideas with colorful cherries. Add some colorful cherries. These are the very beautiful and enhancing ideas. So add some snowflakes Cutted snowflakes, add some burlap and jute rope, add some pearls on this type of videos. So this gonna be very beautiful and very beautiful craft, and it will be a masterpiece of your center table. So how you feel about that, what do you think about that? Hope you like the designs and ideas. So show your thing on also on the comment section, and if you want to get more designs like this, more ideas like this, so tell me about that. And these hands glove is very beautiful, and a stocking, you can make a stocking with burlap, you can make tree with burlap, and you can also make either. So these are very beautiful and interesting designs. You can also make the bells with these, as you can watch in this video. So burlap, and add some colorful cherries, add some ideas. So these are gonna be a very beautiful and attractive designs. So you can make bell and a stocking hand, and add some ribbons in check ribbons, add some balls, red balls, green grass, and put some flowers. So this is gonna be a very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care, take care of yourself. Stay blessed.